ये कितने का है? हाउ मच इज दिस? हाउ मच इज दिस? ये 500 का है. दिस इज फॉर 500. दिस इज फॉर 500. थोड़ा कम नहीं करोगे? कैन यू रिड्यूस द प्राइस ए बिट? कैन यू रिड्यूस द प्राइस ए बिट? ये ऑलरेडी कम प्राइस में दे रहा हूँ. आई एम ऑलरेडी गिविंग इट एट ए लो प्राइस. आई एम ऑलरेडी गिविंग इट एट ए लो प्राइस. 2 लेंगे तो डिस्काउंट दोगे? विल यू गिव ए डिस्काउंट इफ आई टेक 2? विल यू गिव ए डिस्काउंट इफ आई टेक 2? हाँ, थोड़ा डिस्काउंट दे दूंगा. Yes, I'll give a little discount. Yes, I'll give a little discount. दूसरा कलर दिखाओ. Show me another color. Show me another color. ये देखिए रेड कलर में है. Look, this is in red. Look, this is in red. ये क्वालिटी अच्छी है क्या? Is this good quality? Is this good quality? जी हाँ, ये फर्स्ट क्वालिटी है. Yes, this is first quality. Yes, this is first quality. कोई और डिज़ाइन है? Do you have any other design? Do you have any other design? हाँ, ये वाला देखिए. Yes, have a look at this one. Yes, have a look at this one. मुझे थोड़ा सिंपल चाहिए. I need something a bit simpler. I need something a bit simpler. ये सिंपल वाला है. This one is simple. This one is simple. मुझे ट्राई करने दोगे? Can I try it? Can I try it? हाँ, ट्रायल रूम वहाँ है. Yes, the trial room is over there. Yes, the trial room is over there. ये फिट ठीक नहीं है. This doesn't fit well. This doesn't fit well. कौन सा साइज चाहिए? Which size do you need? Which size do you need? मीडियम साइज चाहिए. I need a medium size. I need a medium size. ये मीडियम साइज है. This is medium size. This is medium size. अब ठीक लग रहा है. Now it looks fine. Now it looks fine. ये कलर भी सूट कर रहा है. This color suits you too. This color suits you too. पैकिंग कर दो. Pack this up. Pack this up. और कुछ चाहिए? Do you need anything else? Do you need anything else? बस यही चाहिए. That's all I need. That's all I need. कार्ड से पेमेंट करोगे? Will you pay by card? Will you pay by card? कैश दूंगा. I'll pay in cash. I'll pay in cash. ठीक है, बिल बना देता हूँ. Okay, I'll make the bill. Okay, I'll make the bill. बैग फ्री मिलेगा क्या? Will I get a free bag? Will I get a free bag? हाँ, बैग फ्री है. Yes, the bag is free. Yes, the bag is free. कोई एक्सचेंज पॉलिसी है? Do you have an exchange policy? Do you have an exchange policy? हाँ, 7 days की एक्सचेंज पॉलिसी है. Yes, we have a 7-day exchange policy. Yes, we have a 7-day exchange policy. ठीक है, ये ले लूंगा. ओके, I'll take this. ओके, I'll take this. कैश दीजिए. प्लीज गिव द कैश. प्लीज गिव द कैश. ये लो 500 रुपए. Here is 500 rupees. Here is 500 rupees. 50 रुपए और दीजिए. Give me 50 rupees more. Give me 50 rupees more. ओह, चेंज नहीं है. ओह, I don't have change. ओह, I don't have change. कोई बात नहीं, मैं दे देता हूँ. No problem, I'll give you change. No problem, I'll give you change. धन्यवाद. Thank you. Thank you. फिर आइएगा. Please visit again. Please visit again. जरूर. Sure. Sure. ये कितना पुराना स्टॉक है? How old is this stock? How old is this stock? ये न्यू अराइवल है. This is a new arrival. This is a new arrival. कोई ऑफर चल रहा है क्या? Is there any offer going on? Is there any offer going on? हाँ, buy one get one free है. Yes, there is a buy one get one free offer. Yes, there is a buy one get one free offer. तब तो ये अच्छा डील है. Then this is a good deal. Then this is a good deal. ये पीस खराब है. This piece is damaged. This piece is damaged. Sorry, मैं दूसरा दे देता हूँ. Sorry, I'll give you another one. Sorry, I'll give you another one. ये perfect है. This one is perfect. This one is perfect. कोई washable है क्या? Is there anything washable? Is there anything washable? हाँ, ये washable है. Yes, this is washable. Yes, this is washable. ये थोड़ा महंगा लग रहा है. This looks a bit expensive. This looks a bit expensive. ये प्रीमियम क्वालिटी है. This is premium quality. This is premium quality. ठीक है, ले लेता हूँ. Okay, I'll take it. Okay, I'll take it. Wrapping paper लगाओ. Put a wrapping paper. Put a wrapping paper. Gift packing कर दूँ. Shall I do gift packing? Shall I do gift packing? हाँ, gift packing करो. Yes, do gift packing. Yes, do gift packing. और कुछ चाहिए? Do you need anything else? Do you need anything else? बस हो गया. That's all. That's all. कार्ड स्वाइप करिए. Please swipe the card. Please swipe the card. पिन डालूं? Should I enter the pin? Should I enter the pin? हाँ, पिन डालिए. Yes, enter the pin. Yes, enter the pin. पेमेंट हो गया क्या? Is the payment done? Is the payment done? हाँ, सक्सेसफुल हो गया. Yes, it's successful. Yes, it's successful. रिसिप्ट दीजिए. Give me the receipt. Give me the receipt. ये रही आपकी रिसिप्ट. Here is your receipt. Here is your receipt. ये कितने साल चलेगा? How many years will this last? How many years will this last? Minimum 2 साल चलेगा. It will last at least 2 years. It will last at least 2 years. वारंटी कार्ड दीजिए. Give me the warranty card. Give me the warranty card. ये रहा वारंटी कार्ड. Here is the warranty card. Here is the warranty card. ये returnable है क्या? Is this returnable? Is this returnable? सिर्फ exchangeable है. Only exchangeable. Only exchangeable. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. कोई cheaper option है? Do you have a cheaper option? Do you have a cheaper option? ये थोड़ा सस्ता है. This is a bit cheaper. This is a bit cheaper. ये मुझे पसंद आया. I liked this one. I liked this one. ऑनलाइन पेमेंट कर सकता हूँ. Can I pay online? Can I pay online? हाँ, UPI accepted है. Yes, UPI is accepted. Yes, UPI is accepted. QR कोड दिखाइए. Show me the QR code. Show me the QR code. ये रहा QR code. Here is the QR code. Here is the QR code. कोई होम डिलीवरी है? Do you have home delivery? Do you have home delivery? हाँ, home delivery है. Yes, we have home delivery. Yes, we have home delivery. कितना चार्ज लगेगा? How much will it cost? How much will it cost? Free home delivery है. Home delivery is free. Home delivery is free. कब तक आएगा? When will it arrive? When will it arrive? आज शाम तक भेज देंगे. We'll send it by evening. We'll send it by evening. कैश ऑन डिलीवरी है क्या? Is cash on delivery available? Is cash on delivery is available? हाँ, COD available है. Yes, COD is available. Yes, COD is available. अच्छा, ये भी पैक कर दो. Okay, pack this one too. Okay, pack this one too. टोटल बिल बता दूँ? Shall I tell you the total bill? Shall I tell you the total bill? हाँ, टोटल बताओ. Yes, tell me the total. Yes, tell me the total. टोटल 1350 हुआ. The total is 1350. The total is 1350. ये लो पैसे. Here is the money. Here is the money. आपका चेंज लीजिए. Take your change. Take your change. बहुत अच्छा सर्विस है. The service is very good. The service is very good. धन्यवाद. Thank you. Thank you. फिर मिलेंगे. See you again. See you again. जरूर फिर आइए. Sure, come again. Sure, come again.